Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. LanisaJamia here, and today we are in the kitchen. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna call this because this is not gonna be the last time y'all see me in the kitchen. I don't know if I want to make it like a series or a thing, but today we're gonna call it Lanisa's Kitchen, okay? But if y'all have some ideas, drop that down in the comment section below. But today we are making mini cheesecake bites. So we're gonna do lemon and turtle. So grab all of your materials, watch this video, and grab you a glass of wine because I know I'm about to. And yeah, keep watching this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So my wine of choice for today is Passion Blackberry. This can be purchased at Target, and I love this so much because it's good and it is 13% volume alcohol. So if you know, you know. I mean, we are making sweets, so I did want to pair our sweet treats with some sweet wine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pour me a glass. Cheers. Oh, that is so good. So like I said previously, we are going to be doing mini turtle cheesecakes, and we are going to be doing mini lemon cheesecakes, okay? So come on, let's go. First things first, we are going to make the crust. If you have a food processor, this would be much easier, but I don't. So you gotta use what you got to get what you want. So I have a pack of these. Now that we have blended our graham crackers, we are going to dump them in our bowl. And then you are going to do half a stick of butter, half a stick of melted butter. So here is our half a stick of melted butter. So what you want to achieve is like a sand-like texture. So this is the texture that you are wanting to achieve. It's supposed to give off a sand-like texture and impression. But yeah, you want it to be like a sand-like texture. That way it's easier for you to mash into the pan. Okay, so for the cheesecake, you are going to need 16 ounces of cream cheese. And it's best to have this at room temperature. So mine is at room temperature. It's very soft. Very, very soft. Very soft. Okay. We are also going to need half a cup of sugar. Okay, so you're gonna mix this. I'm gonna use this little butter-like spatula first, just to kind of mash the cream cheese, and then I'm going to whisk it. Now that that's all mixed up, we're gonna go in with our tablespoon of vanilla. Right, and then we're gonna mix that. Lastly, we are going to mix in 2 large eggs. I'm gonna be honest, if you don't have an electric handheld mixer, baby, you're gonna have to put that muscle in. You're gonna have to put that muscle in and use your whisk. You're gonna have to put that arm to work, sis, or bro, or auntie. This is what we're looking like. You want to make sure you get all those air bubbles out, but so far smooth texture. We're gonna go ahead and hop into making the mini cheesecakes. So it's best for you to get some of these little cupcake liners. Less mess and easy, especially if you are cooking these for like other people. You don't want to really have your hands all over this stuff. Okay, and something that I like to do to kind of help me remember which side is which, I just dab a little bit on the pan. So we'll come back to that later. You need 1 to 2 tablespoons of crust per cupcake hole, whatever. Now you're gonna smash them down. So it's best to use like a little spoon to do this. Okay, y'all, so this is how they should look after you have smashed them down. So we're gonna go ahead and start filling them. You don't want to fill them all the way to the top because remember, we have to add our toppings. Okay, so I am going to do something that was not in the actual recipe. So this side is going to be the turtle mini cheesecakes, and these are going to be the lemon mini cheesecakes. So this is lemon curd. I got this from Kroger. And so the last time when I made these, I added a little bit of lemon curd into the mix just to kind of give that lemon cheesecake a little bit more boost. So I'll probably just add like a tablespoon in there and mix that in real good. Like I said, this is just to kind of take that lemon up a notch. So now we are going to fill this side. We are going to go ahead and put these in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. Okay, y'all, so we are back. The cheesecakes have been cooling for about 15 to 20 minutes. And before we put them in the refrigerator, you can either do overnight or for 4 hours. So before we put them in the refrigerator to cool, I like to go ahead and put my toppings on top of the cheesecakes. That way the toppings can set and they won't be so runny. So we're gonna go ahead and move forward with that process. It's so much easier to keep them in the pan, especially if you're making multiple flavors. So you remember when we initially put these in the pan, I put a little dab on this side just to make sure that I remember that these 6 were the lemon and these 6 were for the turtle. Okay, so the things you're gonna need are store-bought, baby, store-bought for ease. Okay, remember I showed y'all this lemon curd. This can be purchased at Kroger. I got these from Kroger. And a lemon for a topping for the lemon. These can be purchased at Kroger or pretty much any grocery store, to be honest. I don't know. For the turtle cheesecakes, this is what you're gonna do. You are going to take your caramel and drizzle it all over top. You don't need too much. You just want to make sure that you're covering the base. You are a beginner and you just want to bring something to the potluck, a sweet treat, or you know, you don't want to show up to his family's house empty-handed. Honey, these will these will get you brownie points, sis. I'm not lying. These will definitely get you brownie points. So, honey, if you don't know what you bringing to that man family house, I'm telling you, I might tell you a joke, but I won't tell you no lie. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking a spoon. I wouldn't even say a whole spoon, just maybe like half a spoon. And I'm just smearing it over top. Now that we have already filled the top of each cheesecake, you're gonna go in with your nut toppings. Now you can use any type of nuts of your choice. I decided to do the peanut and pecan. So all you're gonna do, and like I said before, honey, this is my kitchen, my hands are clean. If you are making this for somebody else, please make sure you have the gloves. So anyway, you're just gonna go in and drizzle some nuts across the top. And this is why I said that it would be best to leave them inside of the cupcake pan, because the nuts are falling all over and we still have to go in and drizzle the dark chocolate. Okay, now this is why buying this was so important, because again, ease, my friend, ease. All you're gonna do is go over and just drizzle. You're just gonna drizzle. Just drizzle. See how easy that was? And it looks so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I might tell you a joke. Now we are going to top our lemon cheesecakes and they will be good to go in the refrigerator. It's cute for the aesthetics. So I just simply set it right in the middle. You don't want to dig it too far in, but you want to make sure that it's stable. So if you can kind of put it inside of the cheesecake, that would be ideal so that it won't fall. So like you can just tip the corner inside. And here we are, y'all. Our cheesecakes are ready for the refrigerator. All right, y'all, so we are about to taste the turtle. How good that looks. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all see that? And the crust is so good, y'all. Use that graham cracker to make your crust. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You take this to that man mama house. Okay, so we're about to try the lemon. Like, he's so for real. And y'all, I'm telling you, if you add a little bit of that lemon curd into the cheesecake mix, it's definitely gonna take it there. It's definitely gonna take it there, but you have to be a lemon cheesecake type of person. All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lanisa's Kitchen. If you all try this recipe, be sure to let me know, tag me in it. I would love to hear how yours turned out. I would love to see how it turned out. Happy holidays, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next episode.